Okay everyone, welcome back to Dr. Shorab's classes. So today we are tackling a very nice question from the GATE Geology and Geophysics paper. And if you don't know what GATE is, it's basically the final boss level examination for the engineers and the scientists in India. So cracking it is your golden ticket to the PSUs or the IITs. Now let's dive into this question number 33. It's about the resistivity sounding curves. Okay. So let's read the question first. Which parts of the following combinations of the H, Q, K and A type of resistivity sounding curves is or are not possible to generate 4-layer models? Okay, so option number A says HQ and AQ. Option number B says KQ and QH. Option number C says KH and AA. And option number D says HH and K. Okay, so let's discuss this question together. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah. So this time we are talking about the vertical electrical sounding. Vertical electrical sounding. That is the VES. Okay, so imagine you are trying to find out what's under the ground without actually digging. So it's like checking someone's social media before a date. Okay, you want to know the layers before you commit. Now in geophysics we use the 4 main personalities for the layers. For it's called the A, K, Q and H. Okay, so if you can't remember this, you are in trouble, but don't worry, I have got your back. Before we solve the question, let's look at our characters. In a 3-layer model, H type is what? Rho 1 greater than rho 2 greater than rho 3. So it dips down. So think of H for hole. Okay, now it's the time for the K type. What's that? Rho 1 less than rho 2 greater than rho 3. Okay, so it jumps up. So think K for king. And A type. Here rho 1 less than rho 2 less than rho 3. Okay, so always going up. A for the ascending. And for the Q type, rho 1 greater than rho 2 greater than rho 3. Okay, always going down. So Q for quitters. Okay, now why do we care? Because our 3-layer curve only has one turn or the character change in the middle. If we want a 4-layer model, we need to combine the 2 of these 3-layer types. Okay, so the last layer of the first curve becomes the first layer of the second curve. So it's like a relay race. Okay, now to make a 4-layer model, we look at the relationship between the middle layers. So let's test option number B, that is KQ and QH. So KQ needs what? KQ needs rho 1 less than rho 2 greater than rho 3. So K, and this is for K, and rho 2 greater than rho 3 greater than rho 4. This is for Q. So this works. P3 in the bridge. Okay, so if I talk about QH, then needs rho 1 greater than rho 2 greater than rho 3 Q, and rho 2 greater than rho 3 less than rho 4, right? So H. So yes, it also works. Now look at the option number D, that is HH and K, right? So here for HH, this would mean what? This would mean rho 1 greater than rho 2 less than rho 3, and rho 2 greater than rho 3 less than rho 4. But wait, If the first part says row 2 less than row 3 and second part says row 2 greater than row 3, so that's a glitch in the matrix. So you can't be taller than your brother and shorter than him at the same time. Now to combine the two curve types like XY, the transition at the third layer must be consistent, and you cannot have two of the same letter like HH, AA, KK or QQ, right? Because that does not create a new type of the curve, it just extends the old one or contradicts itself. Okay, now let's look at the option again. The question asks which is not possible. So option number A is HQ and AQ, so it's possible. Option number B says KQ and QH, definitely possible. Option number C says KH and AA, possible. And option number D says HH and KA. Yes, you cannot have HH curve for a 4-layer model because the definitions of the layers would clash mathematically. So it's like trying to bake a cake that is simultaneously all chocolate and no chocolate. So physics says no here. Okay, so the correct answer for this question will be option number D. Now remember, in GATE they don't just test if you know the math, they test if you have common sense. So if you see a double letter like double H or double A in a 4-layer combo, it's usually the red flag for you are looking for. And okay, so go now, study your curves, and remember, don't be a Q type and the spiral down, be a A type and keep ascending. Okay, so if I talk about, just a second, yeah, if I talk about the ascending A, then the resistivity relation is what? Rho 1 less than rho 2 less than rho 3, and it is smooth uphill. Okay, if I talk about K, then rho 1 less than rho 2 greater than rho 3. So it's like mountain top. If I talk about H, then rho 1 greater than rho 2 less than rho 3. So it's valley bottom. And the last one is Q. Here rho 1 greater than rho 2 greater than rho 3. So this is like smooth downhill. Okay, so for a 4-layer curve, the resistivity of the 4 layers would follow rho 1 greater than rho 2 less than rho 3 greater than rho 4. Okay, notice how the H part and the K part share the middle layers perfectly. HH fails because it requires rho 3 to be both the top of a slope and the bottom of a slope simultaneously. So it is impossible. So the final answer for this question will be our option number D. Okay. So see you guys. Bye-bye.